This is the third and final video in the Scottbotv1 tutorial series. In this video, I will be outlining how to create a task, how to start a task, how to stop a task, how to mass edit tasks, how to view the terminal, and how to import and export. Create a task, navigate to the Site drop-down box at the bottom left taskbar within the Scottbotv1 window. In this dropdown, select the site that you would like to create a task on. For this example, I will be using Best Buy. In the link input box, input a link to the product that you would like to create a task for. For this example, I will be using a Nintendo Switch. The PID input box is only used on specific sites. Please refer to the default setups channel within the support Discord for which sites to use the PID input box on. Similar to the PID input box, the keywords input box is only used on specific websites. Please again refer to the default setups channel within the support Discord. In the mode drop-down box, select the mode that you will be using. In this case, it will be Link. In the guest drop-down box, please refer to the support Discord on whether or not to use this on the specific web. Under Task Profile, select the profile for which you would like to create a task. In Quantity, input the quantity of the item you would like to buy. The big menu button will give you more options when creating a task. Use Profile once will only use the profile one time when checking out. If you are running the same profile on multiple tasks, only want it to check out one time, tick this box. In the coupon input box, you can input a coupon that works on the specified item. In the proxy input box, you can input a specific task proxy. This proxy will only be used by this specific task. By putting a number in the number of tasks box, when you click the Create Task button, it will create that many tasks. The delay input box will allow you to set a specific delay for a single task. Some websites may use the Special tab located on the left column of the task builder. In the Special tab for Best Buy, it will allow you to select Pickup in-store and Cart Route Bypass along with a max store distance. Please refer to the default setup channel within the support Discord for use cases. Pressing the Create Task button will create your task and place it in the task list. You can duplicate a task by pressing the icon located next to the bulldozer. This will create an exact replica of the task. To delete a task, press the bulldozer icon and select Continue. To start a singular task, turn the task switch to the on position. You should see the task status update. To stop a task, turn the task slider to the off position. If you create multiple tasks, you can use the Start All button to start all of the tasks on the task list at one time. Similarly, if you'd like to stop all tasks on the task list, you can press the Stop All Tasks button at the top taskbar to stop all the running tasks in the task list. To delete all tasks, press the Delete All button. The Mass Change button is located next to the Delete All button. Using this will allow you to mass change the PID of all running tasks to a single specified PID. To do this, type the name of the website, followed by a / and a specified PID. Then press the Submit button. To view the terminal, press the icon that includes the greater than and underscore symbols. This will show you the terminal for all running tasks. This terminal will update as tasks are running. To make the terminal larger, click the dinosaur icon located next to Copy Full Log. To hide the terminal, press the Hide Terminal button. The Import button is located next to the Terminal button. Please refer to the support Discord and README for the proper use case. The Export button is located next to the Import button. Again, please refer to the support Discord and README for proper use case.